got the sauce. Black down, black. What are you doing with that?
Latifah,
Queen.
could I please get a photo?
Queen.
Security? Oh, yeah, I lost security.
Queen, could we please
Queen,
get
can
a
I please get a
photo?
quick photo, please? I'm a huge fan. Please,
You've been here all day,
Not all day.
please. Can I get a picture with you?
Maybe just yesterday.
That was dope. That was dope. Huh? Yeah. All you gotta do is like design it.
I know, right?
Oh, he just.
I know, he's just fast. Just let him get something. This is the right nigga.
Boy, dread. My hairline was alerted to my eyebrows. I had to give it all the bread.
I've been looking at my crazy shit, man.
Goddamn right.
And I had to say it.
Shannon's going, you said it right.
I said it right.
Rock.
Oh my God, we got a press conference.
And a cell phone.
Out here.
Latifah, do you mind?
It's the queen and the king, goddamn.
Sorry, Trey.
Let your chat go on this.
Sorry, Trey.
When is Flavor You and Native Tongues tour? That'd be great. We agree. Take it back to it. We agree. Take it. All right. I get one with you before you leave. And I used to love sugar water too. That was dope. We could bring that back too. Thank you, Latifah.
Thank you.
Team cancer all day, cancerian.
We don't want no birds. We don't want no.
How was tonight?
Great, thank you.
Church, how was the show? You just celebrated 20 years with
25 years.
25. Know how that feels?
It is, and you don't, if you miss it, your behavior's incredible.
Sorry.
Sorry.